Alright, today I'm talking computers. Last night I was up late talking with my buddy Tyler. He was telling me his computer's so slow, he can't do anything anymore, and he's about to spend about $500 just on new computer parts. And I was thinking it shouldn't be that slow in day-to-day tasks. Let me come over and take a look at it. So we're gonna go do that. If you want to skip to the part of the video where I go over what was wrong with it, you can skip to this timestamp right here. So I'm gonna head over and try to help him out. Alright, so Tyler, you've been having issues with your computer, right?
Yeah, so we've been having issues with my computer. This bitch runs very hot. Mainly the CPU. Only the CPU.
Alright, so right now we're running Cinebench R20, and we're getting 100% CPU load, and the temps are climbing. We're at, 80 C right now. We expect to get higher.
We do expect
Not looking too good.
We're
Hit
very...
87 degrees Celsius. So we'll see if we can do anything to improve that. So Tyler, tell me, when was the last time you cleaned this thing?
Fucking never. I bought the case like 4 years ago, and I bought the case 4 years ago. That's it. That's all I got.
Alright, so 4 years worth of not cleaning this.
Worth of
ever,
dust
huh?
and dirt and grime. You need Billy Mays up in here to really show us the way.
Out here on Tyler's balcony.
Out here on my balcony. Welcome
Perfect
to
place to clean out your 4-year-old, 8-year-old computer.
But there's a screw. That was very close to just rolling itself off. It's right there.
Fucking perfect.
In San Diego, as we like to call it.
Alright Tyler, so we just ran out of compressed air.
We ran out of air,
So
so
now we gotta squeeze it.
we gotta squeeze it.
God damn, bro.
This is how people in the 1800s used to clean their computers when they didn't have compressed air yet.
Yeah, exactly.
This is what they would do. I figured if the Amish can do it, so can we.
So how old is this processor, do you think?
Let's see, I got this computer my freshman year of high school. That was like 2014.
So it's 2020, 6 years. This thermal paste doesn't look like it's held up very well.
Not at all.
Well, this is the part in the video where I didn't record any audio, and I'll be voicing over whatever's left. So the issue with his computer was his processor. It was running way too hot, and the cooler wasn't able to cool it down enough while it was running. And this was because the thin layer that connects the processor to the cooler, called thermal paste, was completely jacked up on his computer. By swapping out the thermal paste that was on his processor with this little tube, it cost only $6. We basically fixed his entire computer. He doesn't have to spend $500 on new components anymore. Now he can use his computer like he used to, and everything's back to normal. So now I'll throw up some photos to end off the video, links in the description for everything else. Thanks for watching.